All right, let's look at example number 3. Example number 3 tells us to simplify these two fractions. So what do we see? We can see that A is sine of 180 plus theta over sine of 180 minus theta. Using your reduction, so if we just quickly imagine what this looks like, our numerator is 100, okay, both of them is 180. Plus theta is over here, whereas minus theta is over there, right? So that is our subtraction and this is our addition. What you need to know is based on the cost diagram, where is sign positive and where is sign negative. So we're going to have a fraction and our fractions are both going to be sine. Sine of what? They are both going to be sine of theta. You always take the second part of the reduction equation, right? So it's theta on both sides. But the question is now, where is sign positive and where is sign negative? We know that let's take this one. This one is in quadrant number 3. So in quadrant number 3, tan is positive. Sine in quadrant 3 is negative. So negative sine theta, whereas in quadrant 2, sine is positive. So positive sine theta. Now, can you simplify? Yes, you are able to. At this point, you can cancel. You can say sine of theta cancels out with sine of theta. Those two are identical. That leaves us 1 over 1. So basically, this is negative 1 over positive 1, which is equal to an answer of negative 1. That is our first question. Our second one looks as follows. We have cos of 180 plus 10 plus x multiplied by tan of 360 plus x divided by tan of 180 minus x. So again, your cost diagram. Let's do each one. Okay, it's fine. 180 plus x, here's your 180 plus x is in that quadrant, so this one is in quadrant number 3. 360 minus x is in that quadrant, this is quadrant number 4. And tan 180 minus x is that one, that is quadrant number 2. So our answer is going to be a fraction. We are going to keep, because we are using the x-axis, right? We're using 0, 360 and 180. We keep the sign cos tan according to the question. The only question that part of it that we change is whether or not it is positive or negative. So this is going to be cos, this is going to be tan, and this is going to be tan. Keep everything the same. Now, what about these x's? These x's we bring down, right? It's x, x, x. Notice that the angles always remain positive. So, cos x times tan x over tan x. But the only thing that you need to be very careful about is what are the signs. That is important. So quadrant 3, okay, let's write our cost. In quadrant 3, okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In quadrant 3, tan is positive. In quadrant 3, cos is negative. In quadrant 4, cos is positive, tan is negative. So that is negative tan of x. And the bottom one in quadrant 2, sine is positive, tan is negative. So you have negative cos x times negative tan x divided by negative tan x. Okay, I hear repetition. Negative tan x cancels with negative tan x. And I have an answer of negative cosine of x as my final answer.